Morning guys, so this morning just down here at Phillips Park, got Josh with me. Jess is off just doing a lap already, so we're going to hit the jumps and we'll catch you out there. Nice little no footer there. Nice little river there.
Yeah, it's quite wet here, isn't it?
I know, yeah. Not done that one before. So I'm going for that other table now this time. Just chasing it a tiny little bit. There's Jess, just doing her laps while me and Josh play on the jumps. So, just down at the last table here at Phillips with Josh. We've got the drone out. Just been doing a few clips with Josh. Jess is she's down here now. She's actually just doing a jump, so we'll get that in. Nice. So yeah, just been having a session on the jumps, me and Josh. Well, Jess has been doing some laps. So. So we're just cruising back to the cars. Fun session, got Jess in front, Josh behind. Fun little morning. Oh, it's a bit sloppy there, isn't it? Wrong gear like me. So, fun ride with Josh. Jess has just cleared off, pedalled off up the hill. Don't know how she does it, I'm dying.
I'm dying.
So, yeah, me and Josh are both dying here, pushing up. So, I'll be home for a nice chill. And yeah, catch us on the next one.